Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn profile. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, create a LinkedIn account. I have already shown you how to create a LinkedIn account in our previous video. Make sure you watch it. And then, now let's dive right into our video. First of all, open your LinkedIn application, then go to your profile from the top left corner. Then click to Setting from the bottom, and there click to Account Preference. From there, click to Profile Information, Name, Location and Industry. There you can find everything you need to create a LinkedIn profile. You can add your profile picture, you can add your cover picture, you can add your bio. And scroll down a little bit, there you can add your skills. You can also create a post, activities, and you can also add your experience. You can connect to the people you may know from the list below. To optimize your profile, you can use keywords, custom URL, and adjust your profile visibility settings to control who can see your information. This is how you can create a LinkedIn profile. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.